हाय फ्रेंड्स, मुंबई से आया मेरा दोस्त, दोस्त को सलाम करूं। वी आर बैक विथ अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ कैलिडियोस्कोप टुडे। और आप लोगों को पता है कि हम इस कोरोना के टाइम पे पॉजिटिव कोरोना वॉरियर्स की जो सीरीज़ कर रहे हैं उसमें वी हैव सम गेस्ट्स हु हैव टुडे कम over to us in Ahmedabad from Mumbai, but actually they are not guests. They are a sign of the entrepreneurial spirit of Gujarat and the power of the youth that we have in the country today. I am very happy to introduce today to you Hardik Savlaji. He has come all the way from Mumbai, but he has brought something to the city which is very close to the heart of Ahmedabadi food lovers. Along with him we also have Parth, our master chef. Welcome to both of you today in Ahmedabad, your own city now. And please tell us and tell the viewers what brings you to Ahmedabad today.
Ahmedabad is like foodies. Foodies के लिए Ahmedabad is the perfect place. Like even as food brand owners, you know, we have a lot of cravings for Ahmedabadi food, like khaman, dokla, and those gathia and everything. The side of there is two sides of Ahmedabad. One which we get local food, and one everywhere you can see fusion food, you can see developed food, you can see international cuisines coming in Ahmedabad, which is a very great sign. Like I've seen like big restaurants over here which are practically not possible in Mumbai, like big cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, because Ahmedabadis are so crazy for food. The restaurant owners, they spend like lot of money for good ambience, good food, and people value the food over here. In other cities where we've gone, like we have our outlets in Bhopal, Pune, Mumbai, everywhere, but then we have it in many places in Gujarat as well. But in Ahmedabad, the thing is, the people accept the food. People love to try new kinds of food, and they are not very much of judgmental. If they like the food, they'll just come again and again. That's why we've been loving Ahmedabad.
Wow, that's so nice, Hardik bhai. Friends, this is a place called Food Adda, and today is Mahashtami. You know, a great day for Bengalis also. એટલે અડ્ડા જે છે ને, અડ્ડા એવું એક જગ્યા કહેવાય જ્યાં તમે બેસીને દોસ્તાર જોડે બેસીને you know, you talk about the future of the country, the economics of the country, and you enjoy some great food. I will like to ask from you, Parth sir.
Yes.
You know, Food Adda, how did this entire concept, the name, how did it materialize? What was going in our mind when we said Food Adda?
It was a long story. We all friends used to meet at a place, and we used to call just as a adda.
Okay.
Adda pe meal.
Okay, the
Adda
den,
pe meal,
yeah,
yes.
okay.
So it was since childhood when we were used to say adda pe aja, adda pe aja. That was the place where we used to call all the friends, and we used to chit chat and all. But it was a long time back.
Right.
It was in 2011,
2010 to 11, 12. It was a time where we
all.
all were youngsters. We all were meeting and hanging around, and also there was one place we used to call adda pe aja.
Wow.
So after a few years, we all started up focusing on the careers and all, and we were all part ways. We are somewhere in another field. We were all together in another field. So it was a time when he came up with an idea, let's start a food joint. At that time, I was with a company working for them in hospitality sector. So I was like, I'll take a leave from there. I'll train you. I'll train the workers how to prepare and all, and we'll look after what we can do further. So after the time span, we just started with, let's call it a place. It's a food, and adda to रहने ही वाला है क्योंकि हम सब आने ही वाले हैं.
Wow.
So that was the time when we came up with the name Food Adda.
That's a wonderful concept. आप सोचिए कि जो छोटे छोटे बच्चे जब कहते हैं कि आओ अड्डे पे मिलते हैं और अपने दिल की बातें शेयर करते हैं, अपने सपने क्या करना है लाइफ में आगे, यू नो, पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा. और ये तो तीन गुजराती लड़के, यू नो, जिनके जो है नस नस में एंटरप्रेन्योर स्पिरिट है. तो सोचिए जब वो अड्डे पे मिले और उन्होंने कहा कि अब हम इस अड्डे को एक ऐसा आयाम देंगे विच विल बी नोन फॉर इट्स क्वालिटी, हेल्दी फूड एंड क्विजीन्स, एंड वी विल डू समथिंग वेरी डिफरेंट. सो आई विल अगेन कम बैक टू यू हार्दिक भाई. Sandwiches are sandwiches, burgers are burgers, pizzas are pizzas, you know, paninis are paninis. So what's extra in Food Adda? Why do you think people should come running here?
At Food Adda, we don't take cuisines as food dishes. We take it as an art. Like every dish has been designed because we are the artists, and we design the food like just it is all about an experience. From coming inside any Food Adda, you just walk inside, you'll get a vibe. We have few like all the color placements, all the benches, the feel. If anyone above age of 40 or someone comes, they'll just get the school days back. Like, yeah, we have benches over here. We have bright colors coming in, which will, you know, make feel people good, and we have soft music going around. So the concept starts over there, like right from coming in and coming to the dishes. Our dishes are so, it's not like any other normal dishes. The other brands, they have their photography skills, and then the dishes are like, okay, our photographs and our dishes match exactly, and we decorate it at such like our employees which are trained by Parth. He's so passionately helping them around, trying them to understand, like, भाई खाना तू दे रहा है ना, तो ऐसा सोच ये तू खाने वाला है.
Wow.
गले
That's
से
it.
पेट तक
That's
जाना
all.
चाहिए. In that way we design the food and we make it a best experience for our customer.
24th of October 2020, the year of Corona, the year of pandemic, is also the year when Food Adda has again started enhancing its footprints. Today we are in Ahmedabad with the 4th outlet launch, and it has been a journey of 7 outlets so far in Gujarat. What is the future looking like, Hardik bhai?
Gujarat is a very, very bright scope for a brand like us, because here every 8th segment accepts all kinds of fusion food which we serve. In Mumbai and all, we've seen youngsters focusing on our food, but in Gujarat, 30 plus age group has been our major source of target. So we are hoping ahead to go. We have 4 new outlets under pipeline: Vadodara, Surendranagar, and others which are on the way. Like, we are coming up with them. And now we are more focusing on Gujarat rather than moving into Maharashtra and South.
Okay, so 7 outlets till date, 11 outlets is where the focus is, and more to come. We, on behalf of Kaleidoscope family, wish a great journey to you, and 7 is always a special number. So I will like you to invite, you know, our franchisees of the 7th outlet, Nayan bhai and Ashok bhai, to please come with us in the frame, and please welcome with this bouquet, which actually will signify that we are passing on our culture, our genes of Food Adda to these new franchise owners.
So we are not just passing on this bouquet as a formal invitation or something. This is a legacy we are passing on. Like, you now, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथी.
Wow, that's such a wonderful thought. Well, friends, for last 48 hours this team hasn't slept. You can see all the beautiful things around us. I was here 2 days back, and I was mesmerized to see how quickly things have changed, how quickly the kitchen is up and running. We had some wonderful food bloggers meet, we had the media coming in here, but this is just the beginning, because in Hardik bhai, in Parth, and in Vaibhav, the Parvaha hospitality, we see a spark of new hope, and we see a great brand which will be, you know, to reckon with in the times to come. So congratulations again.